Sneeze again.
I don't know how.
Okay, play your music.
Is this recording?
Mm-hmm.
Ah! Okay. This is called The Fray. I just learned this. Okay. Get out of the camera. No. Okay. Yeah. I think you all know that song. And now I will play Fearless by Falling Up. She just taught me this. Well, she played the music and I was like, okay. Ah! Death!
Who's Yvonne? Who's Yvonne? What do we say, Yvonne?
Damn you, Yvonne! Yeah, I don't know how to play the rest. It ends tonight. We're not keeping this video. Your subtle taste! Yeah, okay. And then I can play Titanic. That was a little sped up because I don't want to take up too much time.
This is what I can play.
Very nice. Very nice. And then I know.
Dance, monkey, dance.
And then I know how to play.
No, not you, Iris.
Kayla's kind of in the way.
I don't care.
Okay, that's all I'm going to play for you now because Kayla's being a